Exact jackets. The only difference is this was a medium, and I ordered the wrong size, so I had to go get a small. I haven't had this more than, well, I got it on Wednesday and Saturday, and I hung it up, and that clipped out of it. And it's supposed to have a back protector. This one, the one that doesn't clip, it came with. It's right there. Small jacket. No protector. Other than that, it's not a bad little jacket. This is a little stiff, but it'll wear out over time. But the pockets are pretty decent. Very deep pockets, concealed carry pockets here. And here, a little spot for my flask. Other than that, I'm annoyed about the sizing and the back protector, which, I mean, not that I need it so bad, but it didn't come with the jacket that I got in the right size.